Good morning, guys. It's Monday, week 3 of my insanity challenge. I'm sucking. So I'm already behind 3 or 4 workouts. This morning I woke up at 6, but I just lay there and I try to look for a reason not to work out. Eventually I just stayed asleep. Then my daughter came out. I used that as an excuse not to do it. So I got, like I mentioned last week, I got to get strict. I got to get focused. So right now I'm going to do a workout. It's 9:30 in the morning. I'm going to do a workout, do some work, edit and all that. And then before I go pick up Ari and Lisa, I'm going to do a second workout. Today was supposed to be a fit test, but because I'm off by 4 days, then I got to do at least another couple of days, 2 workouts per day, and then I'll do the fit test again and I'll let you guys know where I'm at. As I mentioned last week, I'm very disappointed that I can't stay consistent with these workouts. I knew that working out, it wasn't my strong suit. I mean, I haven't done it. I lost weight and it makes it kind of easier to justify not doing it because I know the keto's helping me out, at least on that part. It's dinner time and here's what I'm gonna eat. All right, so salad like always. I got some asparagus and topped it with bacon and put them in the little oven. I made some soup with sausage, more bacon and cauliflower, and then I'm gonna eat this first, which is leftovers from yesterday, and then I'll hit the other stuff. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. I just finished my workout. I did an Instagram live. I plan to do the Instagram live every day, Monday to Friday. And so as I'm working out, you guys can see me on Instagram if you want to follow along. And then I'm also gonna put this into the weekly vlog. So see you guys later on for lunch, I think. I don't even know. Can you see me with the special little lady? Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, almost 1 o'clock. I'm about to eat some lunch. I got some whole avocado and some chicken. It's the 3rd day for the chicken, so I don't want it to go bad, so I'm gonna eat that. All day today, I just been trying to balance last month's bills. I haven't done it in a while, so I had to actually do 3 months worth. And then I gotta go do a meeting with one of the photography companies that we shoot for, and then pick up the checks. So tomorrow, I only have like a real quick 1 hour wedding, which I'm the second. I'm supporting. I'm not the main photographer. So tonight I'm just gonna get everything ready so that I can do a bunch of errands tomorrow, pay the bills and everything. For now, I'm just gonna eat. I gotta go pick up my daughters, drop them off in the house so that Sarah, our workaware, can watch them while I have a meeting and Mego has a wedding. So I'll update you guys if anything comes up. Good evening. It is, I don't know what time is that. That's broken. What time is it? 7? No, 6 something. It's on the top of the TV. Okay. It's 6:50 at dinner time, and I made some chicken and Alfredo sauce with mushroom and zucchini. That one looks sad, but it's broccoli and salad. And then we got some leftover soup in the microwave. Yeah. Hey guys, it's lunchtime Wednesday, and I got me some avocado with some sea salt, and then on the bottom some chicken Alfredo from last night. So I have a wedding in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna eat this just so I don't have to worry about being hungry later on. And then it should be a fast wedding. Then I'll go pick up the girls and come home and cook dinner. So it's a pretty slow day today. Just been doing admin stuff. And yeah, I'll check in later on. Hey, it is Wednesday and Lisa's being a brat, but this is dinner right here. I made some soup with some chayote, zucchini, sausage, bacon, and something else I can't remember. And I got me some salad. Maybe we'll make some miso soup. which I can't get in frame. Miso soup right there. And that's it. So that's dinner. Good morning. It is Thursday. I just finished the insanity routine. I'm doing the workouts on Instagram live. And so I'm doing those at 6 in the morning, Hawaiian Standard Time. I think it's like a 3-hour difference right now from California. So it's like 9 a.m. over there. But I keep it up for 24 hours or at least however long the stories last on Instagram. So if you want to join in, I'm going to try to keep it up all the way until the end, and so join me on Instagram. Check out that VW behind me. It's nice, right? I want one of those. So I'm waiting to shoot a wedding. I'm shooting as a second, which is pretty fun because there's no pressure, even though it doesn't pay as much, and there's also no editing. So yeah, originally I was supposed to be doing my annual training for the Army, but a bunch of stuff happened. I got moved from units, and so that got canceled. And yeah, so right now I'm just chilling. All right, guys, it's lunchtime. It's about 1:40, so my window opened about an hour and a half ago. I'm not really hungry, but there was a lot of soup left over last night, and Megu accidentally opened 2 cans of Spam, so I'm gonna use one of them. Added some onion because Sarah, our workaway, she can't really handle onions and garlic. So these onions don't go to waste. I'm gonna use one right now, add it to the soup because the soup is mostly liquid soup. And so I'm gonna add that and then eat it for lunch. Hey, I just finished the workout while they just sit there and watch me and play with their phones, which I'm about to throw in the trash because I spent too much time in them. But yeah, so I mentioned it before, but I'm doing the live workouts in Instagram, so I can't shoot video and do a live Instagram, or at least I don't think I can. I'll check. Hey, eso es para tomar, no es para jugar.
No, porque está caliente.
Así no se la hace. Hey guys, so it's Friday night, and for some reason I'm really tired. I was driving around all day today getting groceries, and I think trying to focus on remembering all the prices and I don't know what, and all the driving I guess got me all really tired. But I cooked dinner, and then I gotta save all of this because tomorrow I have Army training. So let me show you what I'm gonna eat for dinner, and then probably just gonna go to sleep right after this. Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, so I made some wannabe Mexican style meat. I did some ground beef with zucchini and green peppers, some broccoli, onions, tomatoes, got sour cream. I got some salsa here from Costco, and then a salad. And all that stuff is gonna be on these lettuce wraps right here. Before I forget, I wanted to mention it yesterday, but I saved myself $100 on my cell phone bill. I went to cancel a mobile hotspot, and it turned out that they had a new military packets. So I switched over to that one, and it saved me $100. So that was good news.
Yo pensé, mira, Lisa, cuando haces ballet, no caminas así, tienes que caminar así, tipito.
Hey guys, so I had army today. I had to wake up early and I was trying to figure out where I was going to be since I'm in a new unit. So this is actually my first meal right now. It's about 7:30 and I wasn't really hungry all day. Maybe because I was busy or I don't know, but I wasn't really hungry. And so I'm at a friend's house. Let me show you what we got. Oh, we're just friends? Yeah, that's how it is. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Hey, good morning YouTube. So today is another army day. We did work out this morning, so even though I didn't do the insanity on this last day of the week, at least I got a little workout in, which is pretty similar to insanity anyways. There was a lot of circuit stuff. I feel good right now. I feel energetic. I mentioned it yesterday, but I want to mention it again that it is amazing to me that on Friday night I ate dinner and I didn't feel hungry at all, even when I was eating dinner on Saturday. And obviously I just, again, social pressure. I wanted to hang out with my friends, so I went to the house, I had food and I started eating. But as far as hunger was concerned, there was none. Oh man, I'm telling you, like, I hate to sound, I hate to make keto sound like a religion, you know, like when you feel compelled to like bring people in, but it's just, I kind of understand how they feel, you know, something's working for them, something's making them happier, and they want to share with the world, they want you to join. And so that's how I feel right now. Like, this keto thing is definitely the best thing that happened to me in a long time, besides marriage and kids. And it's just, it is freaky. It is freaky to go every day with hunger pains and being hangry and craving everything all day long, not being able to go 3-4 hours without thinking about food. Going from that to forgetting to eat and being comfortable eating as much as you want is just an insane difference. I hope you guys give it a shot. I hope you guys get to the point where I'm at now, where you just accept that you're genetically, there's certain foods you just can't eat, and social pressures shouldn't make you eat them. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that today. So there's some stuff going on with my military career, and because I promised that I was going to share everything with you guys, I'll give you guys just like a snippet. I still don't know what's going on, but what happened is I got moved from my old unit, which I was in for since 2002, and I got moved to a new unit, an infantry unit, which I'm originally infantry. And it's a good thing. I feel excited about it because, you know, I know that I'll get the physical workout that I need. I know that I'll be able to be a leader and motivate and inspire, hopefully, some young soldiers. So that I'm excited about that. But I also feel bad because I really do want to retire. But I don't want to get into a new unit and, you know, promise too much and then just leave. So I'm kind of on the fence. It really is making me rethink whether I want to get out, you know, this year, or if I just want to give this a shot and see how it goes. So I don't know where I'm at yet. So I'll keep you guys updated as far as, but for right now, I'm excited that I'm in this new unit. I'm basically going back to where I was when I first joined the military in active duty and infantry, doing actual grunt work. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated to see how my motivation goes from this point forward. So yeah, that's it for today. I don't plan on eating anything because they only have MREs, and MREs, as you see my MRE video, is not very keto friendly. If I can, you know, get like a thing of cheese from somebody, then maybe I'll eat that. But again, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get hungry. So I'll see you guys later on, maybe for dinner. I just got home from drill, and obviously I started cooking dinner for the family. I made all this. I made some chicharrones with green sauce. Made some ground beef, kind of taco salad. And then I made a tuna salad. And then I said, okay, everybody dinner. And they're not hungry. So I'm eating by myself. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.